Do you want to learn how to create 3D mockups on Canva? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to your Canva app or website and then click on this or any design by clicking on create a design and then a custom size. Once done, you'll be taken to this page, a blank canvas. On the left hand side, go to apps. Inside apps, in search Canva apps, search for 3D mockup and you're going to find this mockup 3D. Click on this. Now inside here, you're going to find a lot of these 3D mockups available for you for free. For some of them are behind a paywall, but most of them are available for free. Now to use this, I'm going to show you an example. Let's take this TV 55 inch. This is it. I can drag it and rotate it around like that. Now we need to apply a texture on this TV. To do that, let's just say I go to elements. In elements, I scroll to the right, select on photos, and inside this I select this one, this photo of a person, put it here and go back to mockup 3D. Now I have an image in canvas, in blank canvas. I will click on this here and apply as a texture. Now it's going to apply this photo onto our 3D mockup and I can rotate it around like this and it looks quite good. Go back. Now I can set the angle like this, or I can just drag it like this, add a shadow to it, brightness, and add to design. And that's it. You have this 3D mockup added to your design. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind that you cannot update it here. You need to click on the left hand side, move it around, and then go back, add to design again. This way. And that's it. This is how you can create 3D mockups on Canva. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know in the like and comment.